Hello people, we are back to review another Park Royal collection, and this is Park Royal at Pickering. You may have noticed this iconic building when passing by Chinatown on the CBD area. I love that the hotel focuses a lot on its landscaping with floor-to-ceiling glass panels that allow natural light to shine through its lobby. It's really beautiful. Alright, let's take you to our room.
An urban room for one night at ontrip.com, but they've kindly upgraded us to the lifestyle room. The room is on the 7th floor, 727, and let's check it out. Wow, it's so nice. Wow, check out the view, it's so nice. Oh my gosh, I love the room. It's such like an open concept room, and it's like so bright and airy because it has like full ceiling like windows, and it just makes the room feel so like nice and bright. My favorite kind of like furnishing is like all like wood color furnishing. Oh, I really love it. Okay, enough of screaming, let's like get to the details of the room. So firstly, when you first enter here, there is a wardrobe right next to the door area where there's like the usual safe and bathroom slippers and bathrobes. There's a little corner here for you to put your luggage. It's good for medium-sized luggage and like some backpacks and stuff like that. Over here, there is a mini bar over here. And a castle. Oh, they have matcha coffee. Oh my gosh, this is like there's TWGT, and oh, there's already wine glass in the room. There's no need to request for wine glass. That's very good. And it's like, I like how it's like the nice like white wine glass and not like the tiny one that most hotels give you when you request. So it's good job on them. Of course, there's a TV over here. It's not a very huge TV, but I guess it's like really sufficient. Here, where there's like the king size bed, of course, and they have this refillable like glass bottle water, so that's great for sustainability. And I really like this like little lounge sitting area where you can watch the TV, you can enjoy the view. And you can even like sit here for some pictures if you like. There's like a drawer here that opens up to their in-room dining menu. There is a desk here if you need to do some work. Over here, it just transits seamlessly into the bathroom. It's like very open concept, but of course there's sliding doors if you need some privacy. And there is a lovely bathtub that has like this backrest area where you can just like lean on the bathtub nicely, and you can watch the view while you bathe, and it doesn't look like anybody's gonna see through. Hair dryers over here with some plugs, and we have amenities for Mantis and the usual like toothbrush, comb, toothpaste. And then right over here is a separate shower area with a rain shower, and there is also a separate area for toilet. But I like that they are using like full glass panel, so it really gives you a nice visual view of like the whole bathroom being like very spacious and big. So I really like this room. It's so nice. I think it's like one of my top 3 favorite rooms so far for all the hotels that we have visited. Okay, so now time for the bed test. Wow! Feels comfortable. Yay! I think I'm gonna enjoy my stay at the hotel. Okay, so I guess that's the end of the room tour, and I'll bring you guys around level 5 of the swimming pool and the garden area next. Hi guys, so we're at level 5, and there's 2 sides on level 5 that you can explore. One side will be the pool, the spa and the new fitness center. The other side is the open terrace.
The terrace area on level 5 is a very big area with plenty of lounge sitting areas to chill and hang out, and these are also the iconic bird cage of Park Royal Pickering, where you can take many aesthetic Instagram photos. The hotel even has a cute little herb garden. There are also plenty of sitting areas in these cute little pavilions over at the poolside. The view from the infinity pool is so gorgeous. It overlooks the Hong Lim Park area and the shop houses near the Chinatown and Clarke Quay area. I very much prefer the day view of the pool compared to the night. Sorry, couldn't show you guys the gym because when we were here, it was closed due to COVID measures, but it does look very promising with many equipments. We also discovered a cute garden walk trail that is one level down via the stairs on the terrace side of level 5. And this trail extends quite long and stretches all the way to the other end of the pool side on the outer circumference of the area. It has some landscaping done, and I think it's a beautiful walk to take after your meals. On this trail, you're also able to see the beautiful view across the Hong Lim Park area. We were honestly quite surprised by how long the garden walk is. It actually took maybe about 10 to 15 minutes to walk the whole trail, and I think it's a pretty good area for you to explore. The hotel has really done a fantastic job in bringing nature very close to you. Look at this beautiful waterfall feature. So we're having our afternoon tea now by the window, and I indicated that it's our anniversary today, and the hotel kindly sent us this lovely cake to the room. That you have to be careful when you're staying here. You close the door, like when you let go like that, it looks closed, but it doesn't like close fully. Like you see, like I can just open it like that. So like, you know, like make sure you really close the door fully and not just like let it go. Okay, we've come to the end of our review vlog, and I hope you find this video useful for your next staycation at Park Royal Pickering. If you have any questions, do leave it down in the comment sections below and we will try to answer them. So, bye for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video.